My people, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depend of your time. Yes, today I'm here to show you about my human hair, clothes, everything about sexy mama, etc. is here. Wetin una go fit do na for una to just go to my LS, show me love. Now see one red button for there. Now just do am like this, no be by mistake o. Just knack am like this. One small bell dey there, just like if una go primary school that time when tell knack bell say time don reach o, time don reach. Una just knack am kpakam. E go come dey appear for una phone say me Ruth, I don put something for my YouTube channel. That is why that thing oyibo put am for there. Dem no do mistake when dem take put am for there. For now to dey notify, to recollect say one kind person dey when be say una first go e house. And so that thing be. Those wey be say una don first knack am, that red something, God go favour una. Those wey be say dem don go watch am, leave comment, una no go lack o. Wetin una dey expect, the good phone una go receive am in Jesus name. For those to push me go phone say Ruth, city girl go fit move forward, God go bless una. I really appreciate. One love to everyone. No be only watch una go watch. Una never near my house before, make una try to open door, make una enter inside and ring bell. I go open door for una. God bless you. If una like anything, say una no fit take am, my number dey there. All those sexy mama things wey I put for there, say una take know say na me get am. My number dey there. I no hide am. Una just private talk to me. I go private answer una. And so that thing be. I go show una many things. Abeg, una show me love, una push me go phone. Yes, I wan quickly talk about my human hair. As una dey see am so, this is 20 to 18-22. Una see am so. That is the one I have. The second one, abeg, hold on me. Yes. Okay, sorry guys. Now see the second. This is wait and wave. Now see am so. This is straight one. Now see am so. This is 20-22-18. Now so it be. I can't see get baby coils human hair. Just be like this afro when I put for my hair. You fit brush am, you fit do am anything. Now so it be. See am. If you need am, una contact me. And braiding, wetin I use my hand take do. Now they see am so. This is my hard work. This is braiding. Now they see am. This is braiding one. God bless you. If you need am, una, this is Ghana weaving braiding. If you need am, una let me know. Now they see as e be so. See the straight center part. That is all. This is the bob. See am. Now so you see big. See the center. I use frontal take do am. That is my handwork. Yes. My next video I will be showing you how una take manage una human hair when e go take last for una. If una look the money una take buy am, now know say things dey to manage am. I will show una the next video how una fit take dey tongue am when e go come be wait and wave. How una fit say straighten am when e go take straight, when e go take straight for una. That thing need tongue. Una know wetin be tongue na. That this one take dey roll hair and I need am. My next video I will be showing you how una take do am. Una dey see am so. How una take dey do am. How una take dey use brush, cause not all brush dey carry weave on. Weave on wey be say some brush dey spoil weave on. Yes, oyibo when put am, dem no dey craze. Weave on brush dem dey see am, dem dey see comb different one. But today now I'm showing you about my hair. How una take manage una hair. How una take get touch with me. How una take fit enter my house. Say una press the button, una show me love, una subscribe to my LS. God will bless una. Now see wetin I put now, e no dey heavy, just be like paper. Put am for ear, everything I get am. Let me show you guys. E just come like this, packet to packet. That is dozen price. Na need am. Just like this, e come like this, dozen to dozen. Or una need one. Now dey see am, all those things wey I put for ear, very light. Very light, different type as una want am. You see am so? Very light. Please, una ring my bell. Una enter my house, I go open door for una, abeg. Una show me love. Now dey see am. Una no fit say people dey put am, una no go fit afford am. No. Na understanding. And now go the important place, ask question. Different type. Una need the same here. Please, una need Weavon o. Una just contact me. You understand? You no take time. Beg, I will just push am. But the main thing, una give me rightful address. You understand? Because they push load 2 times. E get how dey be, go make person head dey carry dada. Una just give me the rightful address. In case of if I reach where they carry and they come to my destination, e no go be double stress to me. That is why I need genuine people. Also, I will show genuine love to una. That is all. Just get in touch with me. That is all about my business. E not too expensive. Una no fit say una see the pictures, una no fit buy. No. Una go fit see I found am. If una wan buy something, una know wetin una buy. If una even see am, una know say if una put money, the thing no waste. Una put am for where person go say yes. Wetin una go use, person go tire. You can't fit dash person with. If you want even dash person, you say, no, this thing never old o. That is, I don't know I want to call it grateful thing. Is quantity. Dey quality, e dey. If una see am, I don't know I want to do. I no come be say I dey put maggi and salt to my hair. You understand? So if you put money for something, I know wetin una put money for. That is all. I no go fit discourage you. If you no go see reach that, I will tell you say, e no be like this. So you get so man, because everything is grade by grade. People don't know. See Weavon hair, human hair, we just buy now we know. Human hair dey inside human hair. And they see Gucci dey inside Gucci. Adidas dey inside Adidas. And so everything be. But Adidas yara for everywhere. But if you know the quality, the real Adidas, no be person go tell you, go say, I like this one. But if the money go come change am. And so human hair be. Human hair full everywhere. You go even see human hair sef. You go even say, this one na human hair. But the money goes, I want buy land. You know they buy land. You want buy human hair put for body. You understand? So for now they need quality human hair. Una get in touch with me. Now go see am o. Una no fit to knack my bell. Una no fit to put that red button. Say una comot the red, comot for road. Una see road. Because if una no comot the red button, no be say una no love me now. Una just comot am. Una see road to chat. That is all. Please, I really appreciate for those when be say they go my house, come they do like this, they write, they show me this. Who be that? I really appreciate. I never knew say me, I will climb upstairs, I come down. Who does that? But una show me love. If una love me the way I am, una show me love. If una no still love me, God will touch una heart one day. Una will really know say una go love me. Because without God, everything is like this. I know say God will touch una one day. For those when be say that they try to love me the way I am, then they manage, that they try to love me, but things they show them say, no, I don't love this person. And like God will touch you, and I really love me. I dey simple. That's I dey flexible. I just simple. Nothing common for me, nothing hard. I'm just like this woman with 3 kids. Una love me. If una no love me, una say fit love my kids. Please support your girl, support your sisters. Say they use am make parable. If I no fit talk on that parable, be your brother's keeper. Be your brother's keeper. Una fit use, una no use me talk to sleepers. No be sleepers I be talk. Oh, that is all. Be my brother, be my sister, be my be my one. That is all. Happiness is the grateful thing on earth. Show me love, I show you love. Tell me your way, I tell you your way. And I want to show women how they can manage to sacrifice themselves to their children by doing hair free of charge. I will be showing the one I learn, the one where I learn for Africa, the one where I learn for Europe as well. I will be showing all of. I know so many people don't deal, but different day. If you be say the particular thing where I fit see tell how I dey do am small. Now fit see carry una this don baby hair, una dong hair, una fit see carry am. Now if I dey carry needle dey put for inside the net, una see carry. No be everybody go fit show una like that. If una even go YouTube, una see say they dey fast because they no get that time to be showing una how una fit take dey do am. No, me I wan sit down. If una only half how una take put only the net for the hair, I fit show in one day. I'm okay. If na only to put the needle, I'm okay. So far I know say una dey learn am, because before I start to learn hair, government pay money for my hair. Then they go carry me put for the store. They pay the man before I fit learn hair. But I wan show una now for free. But the help una fit help me na for una to subscribe, na for una to press the button, na for una to even love the way I am. Na only that one. Una see store wey full everywhere. Nobody go just enter store, just go dey learn something. Before you enter the store, if na hair you come plait, they go off their instrument for you not to peep, for you not to take one something for them. That is why I'm here for me to show una openly. Pay one go pay me for not to subscribe. Una come be problem. No go fit be problem. Now understand. I know so many people don't know how they will take go about. Una call me now. Una call me. My mama, see you. I enter your house. I no see key take open door. I go give una the key now. I go give una the key. Una comot that red something comot for room una pass. Because anything when they red na danger. Una no go fit enter my house without una no press that red button. Na so my key be. I go give una key. Abeg, una try. Una dey comot that key. The key mean say make I show una how the key dey go. I fit talk am for mouth. Many people no go know how that key be. Yes, my sister, una look am o. Now they see my house. So this na my house be this. If una can see it, now see my house. That is, make I show una the name of my house. Now they see City Girl Fashions TV. Now if I write the name, una no fit see my video. Say video no, now they hear am for people mouth. Una no fit ask them the video. Una go write City Girl Fashion TV. After una don write that name finish now, e go come show una my house property. That is wetin I take design my house. E go come show una. After e don show una finish, for una to sit down for my comfortable chair now, una need to press one like this. Now they see say my house now, e dey change character. If una feel say una no see am well, wait, make I put am for. this one na my house now. Una dey look my hand o. Una see the danger wey dey here. Una dey see my hand. This is na danger. Key. Na need key. Now just by me, now just do am like this. Makan. The e go wipe comot. After una don do am na one bird now go come dey one side from here. Now see the bird, now knack am. E go come bring three bird come outside. The three bird now go come press all. All mean say all wey dey up, una press am now e don comot. Una come here, come like am. Una see like the one wey go up o. I know say una no put the one wey dey down. Na be say una be my enemy key. That one, una no try am o, abeg. Una love me. Una come do am like this. E go come show blue according to the cloth wey be say I go show una later. Come do am. Una come here where dey write comment na chat. Chat mean say una come here. Una see say 12 people don write something. See 12 people don write something for here. Una come say you comot for road make person see road. Una come see say add public comment. Probably na everybody go see say una drop something for there. Una come write am like this. If na say amazing una fit write, e go show amazing. See am. Me now go back now for my video. May I go just go play. I come see say una send, oh, this person write say amazing cloth, amazing human hair. I like am o. Una dey see am so. I come go there. I'll get back to una. Or if I no get back to una, I'll go there again. I'll go check and say I reply una comment. See am. Person now write and say all your dread is amazing. Me say they like am. Now just drop love put for there. You understand so? That is all. It's very simple. Please, una do am for me. I really appreciate for those that push me to that number where I dey today. Abeg. I love una. Una love me back. I really appreciate. One love. Let me go for now. Or I should continue. If una come across this video, una love my topic, una go tell me say make I add to my topic so that I dey keep una copying, I dey make una dey laugh, I dey make una dey see wetin una never see before. Una tell me say make I add to my video. Say it's very short. So una no like, una wan make it long so that una go enjoy am well well. Una leave una comment below and show me love. Important. So that people will say, this kind of video when this woman put for the people like am, they enter, they follow me, you understand that kind of thing now. That kind of thing I go, this lady they make people they I bet mona show me love. That is me. I really appreciate. I need where happiness dey. I very simple. I don't know what to talk. Simple mind and simple character. I don't know how to talk too much. Wanna love me the way I am. Don't hate me the way I am. Just love me the way I am. Like me the way I am. Do that. Take me the way I am. Cherish me the way I am. It remains small. I never complete the word. So, follow me the way I am. Subscribe to the way I am. It remains small. And press the notification button the way I am. If it remains small. Share the way I am. Give people the way I am. I tell people about my human hair the way I am. That is all. Tell people I really appreciate. I do take time today. I want this video to complete what I wrote. Please be a swagalistic mama. Be that is unmovable mama. If you now come to this LS, now will feel the move on. Nothing when be say now look for us and no officially it dey here. How now want to know my address? That is the matter. For now to subscribe and put the bell there. That is all. Simple. It's one of the fine will afford them. It's affordable. Lowest price. You know, not be say it can't low now. And not come now feel say no be original because now small they climb tree. Then if you force yourself to climb tree, if you move if you mistake your leg and fall down. I don't want to fall down. That's why I start little by little. Now go come make me stay high. I believe so. Now simple, that is, I don't know how to talk am. People that need. This is what that is why I open this channel. People that need something. This is the channel they will come. And simple. They will look at their mate. Many people feel like they are the highest, lower people, highest. They don't know. Understanding. Looking internet is not by mistake. You will learn more what you are, that is what you didn't know before. You will learn more things. E open people eye. That is, they say traveler is a part of education. This is what this traveler. If you no enter internet, you no fit know how traveler be. God bless you. Love me, share my video, subscribe, and love and watch important, and press the notification bell, because anytime I fall loud, you will see say City Girl Fashion TV is around, is available. Unmovable train. Yes, this is what I am. Subscribe once again. Be my sister, be my brother, be my everything. What you think of, I'm here to provide. Just help me and build my channel up. God bless you. Let me leave now. One love keep us together. Bye for now, and take care of your family and take care of yourself. Ciao. Ciao everyone.